Now we have to draw rectangle OK. So first of all I will draw a rough sketch of OK. This is rectangle OK. OK A Y. OK is equal to 7 centimeter. K is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we use the properties of rectangle. We know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle sides opposite sides are equal. Therefore OK is equal to YA is equal to 7 centimeter, and this KA is equal to OY equal to 5 centimeter. Now we know that this angle is 90 degree angle. This is also one of the properties of a rectangle. So कह सकते हैं एंगल O, each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Each angle of rectangle is of 90 degree. Angle O is equal to angle K is equal to 90 degree. Now we start with the construction of OK. So first of all I have to draw OK of 7 centimeter. I have to draw a line segment of measure 7 centimeter. So here I am drawing a line segment of measure 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. This is O, this is K, and this is 7 centimeter. At O and K I have to draw an angle of 90 degree. At O and K I have to draw an angle of 90 degree. So here I am drawing an angle of 90 degree at O. This is first I have to draw an arc here. This is 60, this is 120, and this is 90 degree. Same way I will draw an arc from K. This is 60, 120, and this is 90 degree. I will join this with this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is ray KX, and this is ray KY. Now KA is 5 centimeters and OY is also 5 centimeters. So from K and from O I will draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. From here I will draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter intersecting this ray OX and intersecting this ray OY. K से मुझे एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है 5 सेंटीमीटर का. तो ड्रॉइंग किसी मैंने कट जो ये आर्क ड्रॉ करने पे जो कट आया है, this is A and this is Y. This is A, this is Y. Now join AY. Now this is the required rectangle OK. This is the required rectangle OK. Now steps of construction of OK, rectangle OK. Draw a rough sketch of rectangle OK. Draw a line segment OK of measure 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter with K as center and radius 5 centimeter. At point O and K, draw an angle of 90 degree. Angle angle OKX of measure 90 degree with K as center and radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc on this ray KX meeting at point A with O as center and radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc on OR meeting at Y. Join AY. OK is the join AY and OK is the required rectangle. This is A, this is Y. Join AY and OK is the required rectangle.